Everywhere I go, they call me Cash Madam, say me fresh and clean, call me Cash Madam. Anything you know I got it. Cash Madam, baby, Cash Madam, Cash Madam. V-Money.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can see, I'm in the airport and I'm traveling, guys. So guys, sorry about that. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can see by the title already, I'm traveling. My traveling bag and all is here. So I'm going to Greece, to my country. A little vacation-ish going on. So yeah, right now I'm waiting to enter the plane and I'm going to be vlogging for you guys, like the whole trip. So first of all, when we got in here, it was terrible because we had to fill some kind of form and all, so it was just stressful. But anyways, they even made us to remove our shoes. Like seriously, that was horrible. But anyways, so guys, I will continue vlogging, so stay tuned.
Come with me, leave all your things, yeah. We can stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come with me, fly you out to Greece. 4 speed, so on it, buddy. Come with me, leave all your things, yeah. We can stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come with me, fly you out to Greece. 4 speed, so on it, buddy. Speed boats, baby, and Nikki Beach. Waves in my hand, smoking weed. Whipping through the sand in a Jeep. All because of what I did on beats, baby. Life sweet, baby, I ain't stop, baby. You just go get ready, we go out, baby. Long time looking for the bounce, yeah. Ozzy had to bounce, yeah. Come with me, leave all your things, yeah. We can stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come with me, fly you out to Greece. 4 speed, so on it, buddy. Come with me, leave all your things, yeah. We can stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come with me, fly you out to Greece. 4 speed, je suis ton génie. Rolls Royce, baby, in hidden hills. Bags full of $100 bills. Jogging past you, I feel she get chills. All because of how I get the real. Life sweet, baby, on a G-Wagon. I get you anything you need, baby. Work for everything you see, baby. Ooh, we, baby. Ooh, come with me, leave all your things, yeah. We can stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come with me, fly you out to Greece. 4 speed, so on it, buddy. Come with me, leave all your things, yeah. We can stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come with me, fly you out to Greece. 4 speed, so on it, buddy. Come with me, come with me. Never falling, why you making problems? I've been silent, why you making problems? I'm the problem, being rich is not my fault. You decide who you think this shit reside with. I've been quiet, hard to miss me when I find you. Going out the can't go, she can stay in my room. She can stay in my room and it ain't mine. I was tryna play it right, I was tryna treat you nice. Funny how I had to stop. See me when I'm outside. We ain't had a problem. Then you went and found one. How you gonna get it back? She can't help but get attached. Come with me, leave all your things, yeah. We can stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come with me, fly you out to Greece. 4 speed, so on it, buddy. Come with me, leave all your things, yeah. We can stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come with me, fly you out to Greece. 4 speed, so on it, buddy. Speed boats, baby, in Nikki Beach. Waves in my hand, smoking weed. Whipping through the sand in a Jeep. All because of what I did on beats, baby. Life sweet, baby, I ain't stop, baby. You just go get ready, we go out, baby. Long time looking for the bounce, yeah. Ozzy had to bounce, yeah. Come with me, leave all your things, yeah. We can stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. hitting heels. Bags full of $100 bills. Jogging past you, I feel she get chills. All because of how I keep it real. Last week, baby, on a G-Wagon. I get you anything you need, baby. Work for everything you see, baby. Ooh, we, baby. Ooh, come with me. Leave all your things, yeah. We can stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come with me. Fly you at the crease. 4 speed, so on it, buddy. Come with me. Leave all your things, yeah. We can stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come with me. Fly you at the crease. 4 speed, so on it, buddy. Come with me. Come with me. Never falling, why you making problems? I've been silent, why you making problems? I'm the problem, being rich is not my fault. You decide who you think this shit reside with. I've been quiet, hard to miss me when I find you. Going out the Keiko, she can stay in my room. She can stay in my room and it ain't mine.
Hi guys, so I'm in Greece. Okay, so right now I'm in the Nigerian embassy in Athens. You can see the embassy right there. So I'm just going around and around and around, like visiting places, going to many places. You know what I mean? You feel me, yeah? So this is the Nigerian embassy, and actually I'm going to many places, but I need to go to my auntie's place, take my bath, come out again, go and see my sister, go and see my brother, go and see my best friend. Like, I have many things to do, and I'm going to take you guys along with me. You feel me? You must have seen it, Lada.
Come with me, fly you at the crease. 4 speed, so on it, buddy. Come with me, leave all your things, yeah. We can stop at Gucci, stop at